This week on Video Your Way, we're taking a step back to observe and learn. And here to help us with our training is our good buddy Yoda.
Watch and learn, you will.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 5, how bad was that Yoda impression? So even if you think you know exactly what kind of video you should make because it's either what you've always made or what you've seen other people make, I promise you, there is another type of video you can make. Okay, I promise. That's the last terrible Yoda impression. So I've been creating videos on my YouTube channel for over 5 years now, I think. Oh, I'm old. And I have a pretty specific style that I tend not to waver from too much. I might incorporate some new graphics or text from time to time to flex my animation and motion graphics muscles. But other than that, you pretty much know what to expect when you click on one of my videos. Now, I don't think consistency is necessarily a bad thing, especially if your audience has learned to expect certain types of content or styles over time. However, you can also sometimes just get stuck in a rut, and I'm sure for any of you more seasoned video creators out there, you've all had the experience where you just made a video that felt stale. Maybe it was too same old, or you were creating something based on what you thought you should make versus what you felt creatively inspired to make. Or maybe you're a newbie to this whole video creation thing and you don't know what your style even is yet. This is where your training begins, my young Padawan, to become a video Jedi Master. I encourage everyone, new creators and seasoned ones alike, to spend time watching other people's content. Maybe you find somebody who's in a similar field or a similar type of organization to your own, and you see what kind of content they're putting out there. Pretty quickly, you'll pick up on things that you like about their content and things that you don't. The more you watch, the more you'll get ideas for the kinds of things you could incorporate, as well as the things you definitely want to avoid. I firmly believe that you can get a sense for your own style and creativity by watching the creativity of others. So how do you get started down the rabbit hole? Well, good news, YouTube was literally built for this problem. So you can start by searching for a topic or person or field related to your own and find a video that looks interesting to you and hit play. Then at the end of that video, you can see the suggested videos column on the right-hand side of your screen and pick something else that looks interesting. And then suddenly you realize it's 2 in the morning and you've learned all kinds of things about wood lathes and the upcoming Star Wars movie, and then maybe also a little bit about Kristen Bell and all of her cool stuff that she does. I don't know, that's never happened to me. Or you can let YouTube do all the work for you and click that autoplay toggle at the top of the suggested videos column and let it take you down its own algorithmically generated rabbit hole of horrors. And as you're watching content, just jot down some notes in response to the questions to ponder for the week and pull out your audience persona sheet from last week, as you'll be considering a little bit about how what you like fits or doesn't fit with your target audience. Next time we'll be talking a little bit about synthesizing what you liked and what you didn't like about watching other people's videos, and then creating a personality style for your own content. As usual, you can find the questions to ponder and the jumpstart activity at the link that is appearing on your screen. So head on over and let's get started. Thanks for watching. As always, if you're interested in a little bit more one-on-one guidance on how to meet your own video making goals, I would love to chat with you. You can reach out via the link on the screen for a free 1-hour consultation with me. And if you're on the hunt for some other resources and tips about making videos, you can head on over to my website and find some stuff over there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Now go forth and make some video your way.